for a parallel plate capacitor, the expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric medium was, if you remember the diagram, this was the diagram. Positive charge, okay, negative charge is induced on one side because of the force of attraction, negative charge, positive charge is induced on the other side because of the force of attraction on the other side. The expression was obtained. This is a capacitor with a dielectric of thickness T. The distance between the parallel plates is D. What is the expression? We had derived it in the last class. It was C is equal to what? The expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric constant was A epsilon naught K divided by, or we'll put it like this, A epsilon naught divided by D minus T plus T upon K. A epsilon naught D minus T plus T upon K. Point number 1. If the entire dielectric occupies the space between the parallel plates, पूर्ण gap, जे ही gap आहे, if that is occupied by the dielectric, I'll repeat, if the dielectric occupies the entire space between the parallel plates, then we have D is equal to T. Because full medium between the two parallel plates is occupied by the dielectric. Then what happens to this expression here? C is equal to A epsilon naught divided by D minus D plus D upon K. Why so? Because T is equal to D when the entire dielectric occupies the space between the parallel plates. That's it. पूर्ण dielectric भरलं तर. आता cancel काय होणार? हे cancel होणार. So what do we get here? Expression for capacitance will be, therefore what will be C equal to A epsilon naught divided by what? D upon K, or therefore what will be C? K ला वरती पाठवा, A epsilon naught K upon D. What is this? The expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when an entire space between the parallel plates is occupied by the dielectric. That's it. Is the concept clear? I'll repeat. This was the expression for capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor with the dielectric medium. If the entire medium is between the parallel plates, if the entire medium between the parallel plates is occupied by the dielectric, then D is equal to T. We get this and we get this. That's it. Simple आहे ते. D cancel. Instead of T, you replace it by D. And K goes up. That's it. Students, if dielectrics of thickness T1, T2, T3 and so on. Point number 2. घेऊया तो. If various dielectrics of thickness T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on Tn fill the area between the plates, then the capacitance will be what here? Students, जरा लक्ष द्या. If various dielectrics of thicknesses T1, T2, T3, T4 occupy the space between the parallel plates, then we have C is equal to what? It is A epsilon naught divided by T1 upon K1 plus T2 upon K2 plus T3 upon K3, T3 upon K3 plus and so on plus Tn upon Kn. Are you okay? This is when various dielectric of various thicknesses T1, T2, T3 and so on occupy the space between the parallel plates. Next, point number 3. If the area of each of the plates are respectively A1, A2, A3 like this. Parallel plate, प्रत्येक parallel plates ची area अशी आहे. A1, A2 with a medium of dielectric constant K1, K2, K3, K4 and so on. Then how will the expression become? ह्याच्याकडे लक्ष द्या. It will be epsilon naught, epsilon naught divided by D. बाहेर what do we get here? It will be A1 K1 plus A2 K2, A2 K2 plus A3 K3 plus and so on plus An Kn. I'll repeat. If various dielectric of thicknesses T1, T2, T3 and so on Tn are placed between the two parallel plates, then the capacitance will be like this. A epsilon naught divided by T1 upon K1, T2 upon K2 plus T3 upon K3 and so on. If the if the area between the plates, if area of or we put it like this, if the parallel plates of areas A1, A2, A3 and so on are arranged as shown in the figure, then the capacitance will be, म्हणजे parallel plates of various areas of cross section. Each parallel plate is of, one parallel plate is of area A1, another parallel plate is of area A2, another parallel plate is of area A3 and so on. Then the capacitance will be C is equal to epsilon naught D A1 K1 plus A2 K2 plus A3 K3 and so on. Are you okay? Yes, हे झालं एक. आता पुढचं बघा हा मुलांनो, just observe. Concentrate. What we are going to discuss here is, we are going to discuss something called as displacement current. Okay, displacement current. What is that? Consider a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric in between the parallel plates connected to a DC source, means a source which is a continuous supply of current, a source which is a continuous supplier of free electrons, a source which is a continuous supply of current or continuous supplier of free electrons. I'll repeat. Consider a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric in between the two parallel plates connected to a DC source, connected to a DC source which is a continuous supply of current in the form of free electrons. Next, you know, as the DC source is connected across the parallel plate capacitor, free electrons start moving across the parallel plates. As the circuit is closed, students, you know that in the parallel plates, the charges, there are no free in between the plates of the parallel plates, or in the gap between the two parallel plates. Students, मी काय सांगता लक्षात घ्या. There is a dielectric. Dielectric consists of bounded charges. Dielectric doesn't consist of free charges or free electrons, but the free electrons move throughout. म्हणजे करंट मूव होत राहते, but not between the plates of the parallel plate capacitor. Current slowly increases, attains as the DC source is connected across a parallel plate capacitor, the current slowly goes on increasing, attains a maximum value. Okay, it slowly increases, attains a maximum value, and that is called as a conducting current. Are you okay? This conducting current results in the flow formation of polarization of charges inside the dielectric. म्हणजे डायलेक्ट्रिकला तुम्ही एक तरहचं फोर्सफुल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाय करताय, ड्यू टू विच देयर ऑकर्स पोलरायझेशन ऑफ द डायलेक्ट्रिक, ड्यू टू विच द charges on the dielectric is what? Charges is A epsilon naught into E. तुम्ही म्हणाल हे असं कसं आलं टीचर? हे बघा रे, बेसिक घ्या. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is what? C is equal to A epsilon naught K divided by D. This is the expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Okay. Now, हे expression कसा दाखवते हा? Now, what is Q? Q is equal to C into V. C into V means what? Therefore, Q will be what here? करा. A epsilon naught K divided by D into V. What is potential divided by distance? हे तुम्हाला 3 ते 4 वेळा झाले आता. Potential divided by distance is electric intensity. So Q is equal to A epsilon naught into E. What is this? This is the conducting current. Conducting current म्हणजे काय? The current supplied by this DC source, but not flowing through the parallel plates, as parallel plates consists of a dielectric where the charges are bonded, the charges are not free. The free electrons supplied by the dielectric, the DC source, I repeat, the free electrons supplied by the DC source continuously circulate, resulting in the flow of a maximum, the current reaches a maximum value, and that maximum value of current is called as conducting current. The maximum value of current is called as what? It is called as conducting current. Okay. Due to this conducting current, as it rises, as it reaches a maxima, what happens? The polarization of dielectric inside the parallel plates takes place, due to which charge is produced, static charges are produced. The expression for charges A epsilon naught into E. हे कसं आलं? हे घ्या, expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. C is equal to A epsilon naught K divided by D. What is charge? Charge is product of C into V, because C is equal to Q upon V. C ची value गला. Substitute the value of C here into V. V by D is E. That is how you get the charge here. Students, differentiate it with respect to time. What happens? dq by dt. Area is constant. Epsilon naught is constant, d by dt. Okay, students, rate of flow of charge is current, which is called as conducting current. And if you observe this area multiplied by epsilon naught multiplied by d by dt, it's जेव्हा तुम्ही dimensions काढाल, they are the dimensions of current itself, and that current which is called as displacement current. And that displacement current is produced due to the polarization of charges across the dielectric when a DC source is supplied across the capacitor. That is the thing. एकदा revise करूया. This is the parallel plate capacitor connected across a DC source. Students, okay. DC source is a supplier of current. As dielectric does not consist of free electrons. It consists of bonded charges. The conducting current, which is the supplier of current by the dielectric source, DC source, is IC is equal to IC, which is called as the conducting current. The charge is induced across the dielectric because of polarization, which is given by like this. C is equal to A epsilon naught K divided by D. Q is equal to C into V. C ची value घातली. Potential divided by distance is electric field intensity. Rate of flow of charge is current, and that current is the current supplied by the DC source, which is called as conducting current. And if you look into the dimensions of A epsilon naught dE by dt, it is displacement current. Displacement current is the current produced inside the parallel plate due to the polarization of charges inside the dielectric. That's it. Are you okay here? Students, एक point सांगते तुम्हाला, पुढच्या period मध्ये topic complete होणार. I'll start with second topic of physics 1. Yes, for today we will stop. Do well for your exams. ताबडतोब exam test देऊन मला तुमचा टेस्ट पेपर सबमिट करा. I'll check it immediately and send you. ठीक है? Bye. चलो, good night.